Hey guys, this is BBQ Chronicles. I'm your host Nate, aka Crash. I'm going to another Chinese spot in my neighborhood. It's called China Wok, I believe, but I'll show it when we get there. I'm gonna get myself a bowl, something real simple, maybe pork, I'm not sure. Follow me, check it out, like and subscribe. Just do it, you know.
Juice man, fresh juice man. They be doing it right here. Check them out too if you want. Metro? Who says the Metro doesn't work? They're always pretty good. There you go. I was right, it's the China Wok. That's the spot. Look it up, China Wok, North Hills.
This is it right here. BBQ pork and rice. It's about $6. Simple flavors. Just finished at China Wok. Had the barbecue pork and rice with some sauces on it, some sriracha, and I believe it was like a teriyaki or one of the sauces there. But anyways, it was really good, simple, not that expensive. So check it on out if you're around the area. BBQ Chronicles out. Peace.